Good morning. Today's session we are going to see the math subject for grade 4. Previous session we discussed about the adjacent corner, opposite corner and diagonals. Okay. So previous session we discussed the three topics. One is adjacent corner, opposite corner and diagonal. Okay. So now we have to recall that previous session topics. Okay. So see here, this is the previous session topics. We have the shape. Okay. That is a square. That is a square. In that square have the four corners. A, mark the corners with the capital letter. Give the name, the capital letter. A, B, C, D. Okay, these are the corners. Okay, so here what is adjacent corner? Adjacent corner means share the same sides corner. Okay, share the same sides corner. That corner we call it as a adjacent corner. The example AB is a adjacent corner. Very good. The same, this is also the same side corner. So BC is the adjacent corner. Next one is CD is the same corner. Okay, it's the same corner. DA is also the same corner, so this is the adjacent corner. Okay, the adjacent corner means share the same side. That corner we call it as the adjacent corners. So next one is the opposite corner. Opposite corner is that corner is opposite to each other. Okay, the corners is opposite to each other. That corners we call the opposite corner. So see here in the figure, A opposite to C. So that corners is opposite to C. So this here we can draw one line. Okay, that is the opposite corner. Okay, that is the opposite corner. So next one is the BD is the opposite corner. B and D is the opposite corner. Now you have any doubts in this? What is adjacent corner and what is opposite corner? Yes. So next one is the diagonal. So diagonals means if the corners, okay, if the corners, I mean opposite corners, in opposite corners if I draw one line, that line we call it as the opposite, I mean a diagonal. Okay, that corners is the opposite corner, but the line we call it as a diagonal. DIAGONAL, diagonal. Okay, so you have any doubts in this? Okay. So in this session we discussed the few activities, that is hands-on activity, activity 1.3, look deep activity, look beyond activity and activity 1.6. Okay, so first you have to do that hands-on activity. I told you in the previous class itself. So you have to prepare that things. Okay, what are the things I told you? Get the piece of, I mean a square sheet of paper and the color pen. Okay. Yes, so this is a square sheet of paper. So have you all prepared that square sheet of paper? Yes. So first you have to mark the corners. And then you have to join the corners. You have to join the opposite corners. Not the adjacent corners. Opposite corners only you have to join. Okay. So see the impression, the line is there. So here we have, with the help of the scale and color pen, you have to draw the straight line in the opposite corner. Okay. So finally you have to get the diagonals. Okay. So you have to draw like this, okay, with the help of the scale and color pen. Okay, so you have to do it in your home also. Okay, you have to do it in a home also, how to get the diagonals. Okay, so first you mark the corners. Okay, first you have to mark the corners and join the opposite corner. Join the opposite corner, you will get one line. Afterwards join the next corner. Okay, afterwards join and fold the opposite corners, you will get one line. With the help of the scale and pen, you have to mark the straight line. So this line we call it as a diagonals. Okay, so this activity you have to do it in your home also. Okay, shall we move the next activity? Yes. So next activity is the diagonals for the following shapes. 1.3 activity. So in that activity you have to draw the diagonals. You have to draw the diagonals. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 shapes they given. With the help of the scale and pencil you have to draw the diagonals. Okay, you know how to draw the diagonals in previous activity itself. That opposite corner, okay, opposite corners in the shapes have the opposite corner, then we can draw the diagonals. So see in the third one side only have the opposite corner, but in the another side have the bend, I mean the curved corner. So in the curved corner we can draw the diagonals? No. So that opposite corners only we can draw the diagonals. Okay, yes. So see here, that square opposite corner only one diagonal. In the shape itself we can draw the one more diagonals also. So why I drawn the only one diagonals means here we have the one question. When a diagonals is drawn in a square and or a rectangle, we get the two diagonals. So see here, this is one triangle, another one triangle. So totally we have to get the two triangles. Okay, so see the next shape. So one side only have the opposite corners, but the another side have the curved corner. What is that curved corner? In that curved corner we can't draw the diagonals. Okay, so you have any doubts? Okay. So this is the activity 1.3. Once you completed means take a picture and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay, Chrysalis home app. So see here we have one more questions. When a diagonal is drawn in a square or rectangle, we get a 2 dash. So see here, when a diagonal is drawn in a square or rectangle, we get 2 triangles. Okay, so whatever I given any answers in the videos, you have to write it in your studio also. Okay, those who not have the studio, no problem, take your notebook and write everything in the notebook itself. So you have to follow the individually for the math subject. Okay, so those who not have the studio, so that students, you have to take a notebook and draw everything and draw the diagonals and take a picture and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay, so next one is the activity. It's a home fun. A companion, draw the diagonals for the squares and rectangles. Okay, this is a home fun activity for you. Those who not have this companion, draw these figures, I mean these shapes, everything in that notebook itself. Okay, notebook itself, and then in notebook itself you have to do it your home fun and take the picture and upload in that Chrysalis home app. Those who have the companion means you do it in that companion itself. Okay, draw the diagonals for all the squares and rectangles and color them. First you draw the diagonals. Say I told you how to draw the diagonals. Okay, so now also I am going to again I explain how to draw the diagonals. So in that shapes have the opposite corner. You have to join that opposite corner. That line we call it as a diagonals. Okay, clear? You have any doubts in this activity? This is a home fun for you. This activity also you have to complete it means take a picture and upload in the Chrysalis home app itself. Okay. So next activity is a look deep activity. Look at the shapes in figure 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. So what is it given in that shapes? Triangle and circle. So these two shapes are flat shapes. Very good. So flat shapes. So they ask one question. What is the question? Can you draw diagonals for these two shapes? Okay. Can you draw the diagonals for these two shapes? Is it possible? Yes or no? No. Why? Why here we can't draw the diagonals here? Very good, super. Because these two shapes not have the opposite corner. Okay, opposite corner. So that's why we can't draw the diagonals. So the diagonals means if we draw the diagonals means we have the condition. What is the conditions? Yes, the shapes have the opposite corner, then only we can draw the diagonals. But the two shapes, see here have the corners but not have the opposite corner. So that's why we can't draw the diagonals here. See the circle is does not have the corners. So we can't draw the diagonals here. Okay, so this is a reason. So once you completed this activity means take a picture and upload in that activity. Upload this activity in the Chrysalis Home app itself. Okay, shall we move the next activity? Yes. Next activity is a 1.5 activity, look beyond. Here you are going to exhibit your creative skills. Okay, listen carefully. Look at the given design. It has been created by drawing only one diagonal of each small square within the big square. So big square. So in big squares have the small square. The small square have the diagonals. Okay, with the diagonals within a big square. Okay, in this empty box you have to create your own design by drawing the small square and their diagonals inside the given square. Okay, here you have to create your own design. Okay, and you have to draw the diagonals. That is very important. Okay, once you completed this activity means you have to take this picture and upload in the Chrysalis Home app itself. Those who not have the studio means write everything in your notebook and do it the activity and take a picture and upload in the activity in Chrysalis Home app itself. Shall we move the next activity? Yes. So next is one is the draw the drawing the diagonals for the shapes in the first column. Fill in the table with the properties of the given shapes. So see, first column they given the shapes. Okay, what are the shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These shapes we call it as a flat shapes or solid shape. Yes, very good. So flat shapes. So first you have to draw the diagonals in each shapes. Afterwards you have to write the number of sides. So you know. So in second standard itself you learned that flat shapes have the how many corners and how many sides, that you have to write it here. So next one you have to write the number of diagonals. Okay, each shapes have the how many diagonals, that you have to write it in the last column. Okay, once you completed this activity, take a picture, upload in Home app itself. See, those who not have the studio, please write everything in that notebook and write the answer for each questions. Once you completed means take the picture in notebook itself. Take the pictures in notebook itself and upload in that Chrysalis Home app itself. Okay. Any doubts you have? Yes. So now I am going to conclude this session with the quick recap. So today we saw that hands-on activity. This activity you have to do it in yourself also. Okay. So next activity is that activity 1.3. Okay, activity 1.3. Here you have to draw the diagonals, and after complete the diagonals you have to take a picture. You have to take the picture and upload in the Chrysalis Home app itself. Okay. The next one, last one is the companion 1.1a. Okay, this also you have to take a picture and upload in the Home itself. Okay, next one is the activity 1.4. Here you have to write the answers. Okay, here you have to write the answers and upload in the. So why we call it why here we can't draw the diagonals, because here the corners, the shapes not have the opposite corners. Okay, these corners, I mean these shapes we can't draw the diagonals. Why? These shapes, these two shapes are not have the opposite corners. Okay, so see, no. Why means these two shapes are not have the not have the opposite corners. Okay, these two shapes are not have the opposite corner. So this is the reason why we can't draw the diagonals in triangle and circle. Okay. So next one is the look beyond activity. Here you are going to exhibit the creative skills. In that box you have to draw the small squares with their diagonals. Okay. The last activity is that draw the diagonals of the shapes in that first column. So first column you have to draw the diagonals, second column you have to write the properties, I mean how many sides that shapes have, that you have to write. The last column you have to write the number of diagonals. Okay, so now we come to the end of this session. Thank you so much.